Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a minimal secure environment and getting the first artifact in place. Install Osirion v3, set up a dedicated workspace, and export any required environment variables. Then generate a key. Choose a 4096-bit RSA key for asymmetric tasks or a 256-bit symmetric key for fast bulk encryption. Once done, run Osirion init to create the default config and index. This writes templates you will edit, so make sure to back up the initial keys immediately. You now configure the core encryption flow and why each choice matters. Pick GCM if you need integrity, pick CTR for deterministic streaming. The mode affects Roman 4 requirements and error handling. Then set the Roman 4 or non-C length, 12 bytes is standard for GCM, and decide padding strategy for block modes. Configure chunk size and parallel threads to balance speed and memory. Once configured, encrypt a small sample file to verify integrity tags, and examine the output headers you finish by running the full job and validating outputs against expectations. After encryption, compute and compare hashes, confirm authentication tags, and check header metadata for algorithm and version. Then export final artifacts and archive keys in a hardware-backed store, rotate keys on schedule, and update configs for consumers. If things go wrong, first inspect Roman 4 reuse and ensure the same mode and key format are used between encrypt and decrypt. This single check resolves most failures, so make it your primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.